How to create AOL Mail account online. So let's get started. So first thing, just head over to any of your favorite browser and simply search in for AOL Mail account login, and simply search in and click on this first link which appears over here, and here you should see this start for free. You can also tap on login, so I will just click on start for free, and once you click on that, if you have an existing account you can always log in with that. So since we are creating an account, just click on this create an account button over here, and here you should enter all of your full name, your email address, verified password, and date of birth, just like this. So once you fill all of that, you can simply click on this next button over here, and here you should enter your phone number. So make sure your phone number is correct, and once you enter your correct phone number, they will send a verification code, and once you enter the verification code, you should be successfully able to log into your account. So that is it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.